Hey guys, let's see how to program your Ninja Coffee Maker to make coffee at a later time. You're basically going to delay the brew, right? Super simple. Just make sure that you have your carafe in place, water in the reservoir, and also the coffee ground, okay? So it's ready to go. You just need to come here and check the time. It's correct right now. So I come here and press the button delay and I select the time. So I come here. Let's say I want to brew the coffee at 2:20. So I come here, hour and minute. There we go, 2:20 p.m. Then I press here, brew and warm. Okay, you see that flashes. And right now the LED shows that the brew is going to be delayed. Okay, super simple. Basically, that's the way you can program your Ninja Coffee Maker to make coffee at a later time, basically with the Delay Brew, right? Hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.